Richmond water heaters incorporate flammable vapor sensors, known as FV sensors, as a critical safety feature. These sensors are designed to detect dangerous flammable vapors and prevent potential fires. When your water heater stops working unexpectedly, the FV sensor may have been triggered. This safety mechanism is found in water heaters marked as FVR, which stands for Flammable Vapor Ignition Resistant. The FV sensor is typically located near the bottom of the water heater, often beneath the jacket door or in a separate housing. This cutaway view shows the internal components and where the sensor monitors for flammable vapors. Here you can see the actual FV sensor on a Richmond water heater. The sensor has a clear warning label that reads Flammable Vapor Sensor, Do Not Block. This sensor communicates with the gas valve through a wire harness. The FV sensor works by monitoring air quality and detecting flammable vapors such as gasoline, paint fumes, or household chemicals. When these vapors are detected, the sensor increases its electrical resistance, which signals the gas valve to shut off immediately. When the FV sensor is triggered, your water heater will display specific error codes. The most common codes indicating a tripped FV sensor are 7, 8, or 81. These codes appear on the display panel of power vent or direct vent water heaters. Before attempting to reset the FV sensor, it's crucial to ensure safety first. Remove any flammable substances from the area, ensure proper ventilation for at least 1 hour, and make sure the sensor area is completely dry. Understanding your FV sensor is the first step in troubleshooting water heater issues. These sensors have been mandatory since 2003 and are essential safety features that protect your home from fire hazards caused by flammable vapors. Before resetting any flammable vapor sensor, safety is paramount. These steps must be completed first to prevent dangerous situations. First, turn off power to the water heater. Remove any flammable substances like gasoline, paint, or cleaning chemicals from the area. Ventilate the space for at least 1 hour and make sure the sensor is completely dry before proceeding. Now we'll cover the reset procedures for the most common gas valve types. First, the White Rogers gas valve, which is found in many Richmond water heaters. Here's what a White Rogers IntelliVent control unit looks like. Notice the temperature adjustment arrows and LED indicators that we'll be using in the reset sequence. For White Rogers valves, first restore power and wait for the FV error code to appear. Then press and hold both the left and right arrow keys simultaneously until you see the green light start blinking. Next, you'll enter a specific button sequence: left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right. This must be entered precisely in this order. If the reset is successful, all the lights on the control panel will illuminate, indicating the sensor has been cleared and normal operation can resume. The second common type is the IntelliVent gas valve. This reset procedure is timing sensitive, so follow each step carefully within the specified time limits. This is a typical gas control valve. The IntelliVent system uses temperature adjustment buttons and LED indicators for the reset process. Start by turning off power for exactly 10 seconds, then restore it. The next steps are time critical and must be completed within specific windows. Within 10 seconds of restoring power, press both temperature adjustment buttons and hold them until the vacation LED starts blinking. This takes about 5 seconds, then release the buttons. Immediately, within another 10-second window, press both buttons again and hold until the vacation LED becomes steady, not blinking. Hold for about 5 seconds, then release to clear the lockout. If the flammable vapor sensor continues to trip repeatedly after following these reset procedures, this indicates the sensor likely needs replacement and should be serviced by a qualified professional.